I'm Dr. Virgil Troy, and this is the Barleyman Gladiator Diet. And just checking in today. I think yesterday when I did my last post, I talked about the fact that for about 3 weeks my body weight has pretty much remained static, and for that reason is probably because of the increased level of physical activity I've been undertaking. So that's sort of increased cycling, including high intensity interval training and some long rides, and also some particularly significant hill efforts. So that's probably one area that has resulted in probably a slight increase in muscle mass, which has sort of offset any sort of weight gains or weight losses, should I say. Also been doing some significantly heavy, low set, very high weight, low rep weight training exercises as well. So I think when you combine those two, there's probably been quite a lot of physical change going on in terms of body composition. So increasing the muscle mass while at the same time probably still losing some fat, because I feel as if I have less fat in areas that I had before, but my weight has pretty much remained consistent. So in saying that, one of the other things that I decided to do, and I've just put this into place in the last day or so, is make a slight modification to what I eat in the morning. Now, what I had been having was a third of a cup of buckwheat groats, a third of a cup of steel cut oats, and a cup of whole grain oats with about 2 or 3 pieces of fruit. So what I've done is I've modified that slightly, and I've just gone down to a quarter of a cup of each. And in addition to that, I've continued to add in the ground flaxseed, the psyllium husks, and also the half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of ginger. So I've actually reduced down some of the grains. Still have enough grains to actually keep me full and fed, but I have looked at now increasing the amount of fruit that I have on there. So I might have, maybe 4, maybe 5, even in some instances 6 pieces of fruit, to just make that bowl the same volume of food that I was having before. So lowering some of the calorie density, but increasing the level of nutrient value of the food that I'm eating. So that's one of the things that I've decided to do and have just started on. So we'll see what that does in terms of the weight. I'm going to maintain the high levels of physical activity, because it's now about the Barleyman Gladiator lifestyle rather than just the diet. And we'll see how that goes over the coming weeks. I'll report in again tomorrow and give you the latest update.